Imagine stepping into a home that feels like a curated gallery, each piece telling a story, whispering of creativity and resourcefulness. Now, let's talk about how to transform that sparsely furnished space into something stylish and inviting without breaking the bank. It's time to roll up those sleeves and dive into some DIY projects that will breathe life into your home, all while keeping your wallet happy. First up, let's tackle those bland walls. You know the ones, painted in a forgettable beige that does nothing for your soul. Instead of splurging on expensive art, why not create a gallery wall using thrifted frames? Head to your local thrift store and keep an eye out for frames of various sizes. You can find ornate ones, simple ones, or even those quirky vintage finds that make you smile. Once you've gathered a collection, paint them all in a cohesive color, maybe a soft pastel or a bold navy. Now for the artwork. Consider printing your favorite quotes, photographs, or even abstract designs. You can use free online resources for prints, or even create your own digital art. Arrange the frames on the wall in a way that feels balanced yet eclectic, and suddenly, your space transforms into a personal gallery that reflects who you are. Next, let's talk about furniture. If your living room feels more like a waiting room, it's time to get creative. Instead of investing in a brand new coffee table, why not repurpose an old wooden pallet? These can often be found for free or for a small fee at local stores or online marketplaces. With a little sanding, some paint or stain, and perhaps some wheels for mobility, you can create a rustic chic coffee table that's perfect for holding your books, drinks, or even a cozy throw. Add a few cushions or a soft blanket on the floor, and you've got an inviting space that encourages relaxation and conversation. Now let's not forget about lighting. A well-lit room can make all the difference, but those trendy pendant lights can come with a hefty price tag. Instead, consider making your own pendant light using a simple wire basket. You can find these at thrift stores or even in your own kitchen. With a little ingenuity, you can attach a light fixture inside the basket, allowing the light to filter through the wire, creating a warm, inviting glow. Hang it above your dining table or in a cozy corner, and you've got a statement piece that's both functional and stylish. Moving on to textiles, let's talk about those drab curtains that are doing nothing for your windows. Instead of purchasing expensive drapes, consider using drop cloths from a hardware store. These are affordable, come in large sizes, and have a beautiful, natural texture. Simply cut them to the desired length, hem the edges, and you've got yourself some stunning custom curtains that give your home a touch of elegance without the hefty price tag. You can even add some fun embellishments like tassels or fabric paint to personalize them further. Finally, let's not overlook the power of plants. Bringing greenery into your home can make it feel alive and inviting. If you don't have a green thumb, don't worry. Start with low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. You can repurpose old jars, cans, or even teacups as unique planters. Paint them or leave them as is for a rustic look. Group them together on a shelf or windowsill, and watch how they instantly uplift the atmosphere of your space. With just a few thoughtful DIY projects, you can transform your home from a sparse collection of furniture into a warm, inviting sanctuary that reflects your personality and creativity. It's all about seeing the potential in what others might overlook and adding your unique touch. So, gather your materials, unleash your imagination, and let your home tell your story.